welcome to this explainer. If you're a focused learner looking to unlock a completely new language in a way that's structured, efficient, and, actually fun, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're exploring a brilliant gateway structure for learning Korean, and we're using something you might already be incredibly passionate about as our foundation, global K-pop groups like BTS. We're going to break down how music and fandom can be the absolute ultimate tools to master language. Okay, let's dive into this. So here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the power of K-pop, move right into 5 essential greetings, and then equip you with some specific fan expressions. After that, we'll combine those into a daily conversation, explore the cultural connections, and finally wrap up with a lesson review.
Section 1. The power of K-pop.
I mean, it's basically impossible to talk about the spread of the Korean language without acknowledging the massive impact of groups like BTS, who act as these huge global ambassadors. And let's be honest, has this exact thought ever crossed your mind while watching their music videos? You hear the rhythm, you feel the emotion, and you just think, man, I want to know exactly what they're saying. That desire to understand, that is the absolute best fuel for learning. The framework we're using today is designed to help you learn Korean systematically, leaning right on your native language. But the core philosophy here is crucial. Learning Korean isn't just about memorizing flashcards and grammar rules. It is fundamentally about understanding a culture and its people. It's a holistic approach, which is exactly why we use K-pop as our entry point. Section 2, 5 essential greetings. All right, this is where the practical application begins. I'm going to empower you with the 5 most crucial greetings. These are your building blocks. Our first word is the absolute cornerstone of Korean interaction. 안녕하세요, which means hello. You'll use this when first meeting someone, stepping into a store, or greeting a colleague. Let's break down that pronunciation. 안녕하세요. Say it out loud with me, nice and slowly. 안녕하세요. Excellent effort. Next up, we have 감사합니다, which translates to thank you. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the cultural weight behind this specific phrase. You see, Korean is a language built on varying levels of respect, and 감사합니다 is the most polite, formal way you can express gratitude. Let's practice it together. 감사합니다. Try it out loud. You're doing great. Now, when you meet someone for the very first time, this is the phrase you absolutely need. 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you, and it carries a really warm, welcoming energy. Just imagine you're finally meeting a fellow fan or a new friend over in Seoul. You'd smile and say, 반갑습니다. Let's hear you say it. 반갑습니다. Perfect. Our fourth essential phrase is a beautiful one, 사랑합니다. This translates to I love you. But a quick heads up. In Korean culture, this phrase carries incredibly deep meaning. It's not really something you just throw around casually. It's specifically reserved for your family, your closest friends, or truly precious people in your life. Try saying it with that sincerity in mind. 사랑합니다. Rounding out our top 5 is just an incredibly fun phrase, 최고입니다. This means excellent, great, or awesome. If you're watching a completely mind-blowing K-pop performance, or maybe you just ate the best Korean barbecue of your entire life, this is the exact phrase you want to shout. 최고입니다. It's super enthusiastic and highly complimentary. Section 3, essential K-pop fan expressions. Okay, now we're gonna open up the fan toolkit. If you follow K-pop, you know there are very specific words fans use every single day to support their idols. But here's the secret. These are incredibly useful in daily life too. Let's quickly review 5 highly supportive phrases. First, 응원합니다. I support you or I'm rooting for you. Second, 멋있어요, meaning cool or stylish. Third is 잘했어요, good job, which is great for praising someone's effort. Fourth, the extremely famous fighting, which actually means cheer up or you can do it. And finally, 축하합니다, congratulations. Sure, you might leave these on a music video, but you can absolutely use them to encourage your friends in everyday life. Section 4, everyday conversation practice. Let's move to and see how this builds. We've got the vocabulary, so let's combine it into a real-world scenario. Look at how easily you can already hold a basic interaction. Person A says, 안녕하세요, hello. Person B replies, 안녕하세요. Person A then says, 반갑습니다, nice to meet you, and person B responds, me too. Then person A shows respect with 감사합니다, thank you.
and person B politely says, "You're welcome." Just like that, with only a few minutes of focus, you can successfully navigate an initial meeting. It really is that accessible.
Section 5. Language and cultural connection.
So why does all of this matter? Well, the words we just learned aren't isolated data points. They're actually keys unlocking a much larger world. And this brilliantly illustrates how K-pop is the gateway that brings you into contact with all of these interconnected pieces. When you learn the language, you suddenly understand the intricate manners, like exactly why we use 감사합니다. You get closer to the fashion, the amazing food, and most importantly, the warm hearts of the people. Learning the language just deepens your appreciation for every single one of these slices of culture.
Section 6. Lesson Review. You have absorbed a lot of fantastic information today, and honestly, I want to congratulate you on your progress. It takes real focus to leap into a new language. So here are your core takeaways to lock in. 안녕하세요. Hello. 감사합니다. Thank you. 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. 사랑합니다. I love you. And 최고입니다. Excellent. Take a mental picture of these phrases right now, because the secret to sounding natural isn't just staring at the screen, it's repeating them out loud until that muscle memory takes over.
Now that you have the foundation, we can really start to build the house. Next time, we're going to dive deep into 30 specific Korean expressions used by K-pop fans. We're going to expand your vocabulary drastically, giving you even more tools to express exactly how you feel. I'll leave you with this question. Are you ready to use your new Korean skills to connect with the culture you love? The barrier to entry isn't anywhere near as high as you might have thought. Thank you so much for bringing your focus and enthusiasm to this explainer today. Keep practicing those greetings out loud, and remember that the effort you put in today just unlocked a whole new world of connection. See you next time.